Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello. In today's video we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here. If you guys remember, I've been doing the looks that are on the back of the Maybelline Soda Pop palette. There are 3 looks here on the back that are just kind of like some example looks that you can do. So I did look number 2, and that is the Grape Pop look. I already did look number 1, which was a root beer pop look. I'll link that down below if you guys missed that one and want to check it out. It'll be in the description box. But if you guys want to see how I got this Grape Pop look, then keep watching. The first shade that I am picking up is Cherry on Top, and I am just putting this in the crease. I did have to go into this shade a couple of times to really deepen it up because I did go in very light-handed at first, just because I didn't know how pigmented it was going to be. Also, I just want to let you guys know that I didn't really follow the directions step by step on how to do this look. I kind of did it my own, but just used the colors that they suggest to use. Next, I'm going in with Grape Pop on my finger, and this shade is stunning. Like, look at how pigmented that is. I love this purple shade. You guys know I love purple shadows. They are my favorite. Next, I'm taking Blue Raspberry, which is a gorgeous navy blue shade, and off camera I put some washi tape on, and I am just lining my eye with this shadow, kind of doing an eyeliner. I did wet my brush with some setting spray before doing this. I find that makes it easier. I also did go in very lightly, as you guys can see, and I did deepen it up a couple of times. Like here I'm deepening it up, and then once I'm done doing the wing and I take the tape off, I also go back in with the shade, and again here deepen it up some more, just because I want it to be a little bit deeper. Next, I'm going in with the shade Tonic, which is a gorgeous like shimmery champagne shade, and I am just popping this in on the inner corner. This is such a pretty highlight shade, so I'm just finishing up the rest of my face off camera. I am back, and for lips I'm using the Appeal Cosmetics holographic lip gloss. This is just my favorite lip gloss, and I just think it looks really pretty with this look because it's not too much. I felt like if I did a nude or something it would have been way too much, so I really like that it's just like a really simple lip because the eyes is where I wanted the focus, and this is the completed look. And that is it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorials. I also do reviews and hauls and a bunch of other videos on here as well. So please subscribe if you are interested in that kind of stuff. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you're just leaving a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.